In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use and load a tape dispenser. A tape dispenser is great, especially if you're taping up a lot of boxes. It can really save you a ton of time. Let's start off by loading the tape dispenser. Go ahead and grab your tape and stretch it about 10 inches, sticky side down. Push it onto the tape wheel and thread the tape through here. Fold the tape back on the roller and flip this metal gate up, and you're all set. And now that our tape dispenser is ready, let's go ahead and tape some boxes. Go ahead and grab the tape gun and place it about halfway from the bottom of the box. And I'll start taping, and again go about halfway down the side of the box. There, and now push down and away at a slight angle. Let me show you guys close up of what this looks like. It can be a little tricky. So let's show a demonstration of the cutting portion, which again is the most difficult. So go about halfway down, push down, and at an angle. Let's look at this again at a closer view, so you guys get a good feel what this looks like. Halfway down, push down, and away at a slight angle. Alright, and that's